Who says finding an interior designer to create your dream home is hard? Let me tell you how to find one easily and even stand a chance to win up to $50,000. My friends just got the keys to their home, and now they need to renovate. They had to look up online for designers individually, but recently I found Renopedia and recommended it to them. So what is Renopedia? Well, it is the #1 online renovation media that will match 5 to 8 interior designers according to your requirements. HDBs, condos, landed properties with more than 200 interior design firms and more than 50 product merchants, you can find the perfect interior designers and products for all your needs. Plus, any sign-up comes with a free travel and home insurance plan. And of course, don't forget, you stand a chance to win up to $50,000 when you renovate. So what are you waiting for? Sign up here with Renopedia by clicking the link below.